Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So today I'm here with yet another giveaway. So we're getting the brand new year started off on the right foot with giving something away for free. All you have to do is just click the little entry button and you can come back and get your dailies. Also the one for subscribing, all that good stuff, and I'll talk about that more in a second. But here we are with the BLU VIVO XL4. So I recently reviewed this. I got the review video, I got the unboxing video. You can check those out. They'll come up as pop-ups in the video, and also if you go check the channel, they're there. So you can get a full in-depth review of the phone, but here's a quick spec sheet on it. So it's got a 6.2-inch HD plus 720p screen, 19 by 9 all-screen design, aspect ratio, MediaTek Helio P22 processor. It's got its 8-core architecture, 64-bit, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, 3 gigs of RAM, dual megapixel setup on the back so you can get your portrait mode photos, 13 plus 2 megapixel cameras. Got a 13 megapixel selfie in the front with the LED flash and Blue's Final Touch software, which is really good for photo editing and filters and all that jazz. It's got the fingerprint sensor on the back. It's got micro SD card support up to 128 gigabytes, 4G LTE unlocked on GSM network, so you can use it on T-Mobile, you can use it on Cricket, you can use it on Metro, you can use it on AT&T, so all those good ones in the US. Non-removable 4,000 milliamp battery, which will get you through well over a day easily, and it's running Android 8.1 Oreo. So you get this cool artwork, and then if you pop the box open, if it'll ever open, whoop, there's all the stuff. So still intact. We've got our earphones, got our documentation, got our power brick, we got our charging cable. It's got the 2 cases that come with it, the one with the cool Art Deco design and then the other clear one with this really nice blue sticker, and it's even got a SIM ejection tool to go along with it. So all this could be yours for the low price of free $99. So all you need to do is in the drop down there's a link for the gleam.io contest like I've done for all the other ones. I'm going to run it for 3 weeks. This one is going to go until January the 18th, which is a Friday at 10 o'clock at night Central Standard Time. I'll go ahead and go and randomly select the winner using the generator that it has built into the app. So you have to be at least 18 years old, have to be in the US. Sorry, I don't mail outside the US. I'm not quite that big time yet, but maybe one day. So hit the button for the mandatory subscription, and then on top of that, you can come back and get one for each day. So each day you can get an additional entry just by coming back and clicking on the link. And then there's also one for following me on Twitter and on Instagram, so you can get lots and lots and lots of entries, which further increases your chances of winning. And here is the fancy phone itself. So very nice. It's got the aluminum chassis on it. It's got the dual cameras on the back here. It's very sharp looking. It's very thin. It's got the speakers on the back, along with the fingerprint sensor, LED flash there. And then you've got, it has facial recognition. Ta-da. Of course you can't see my face and back behind the camera. It's really nice, solid device. It's got the notch and everything. You got the camera on the front. It's pretty much everything you could ask for in a slightly better than budget level phone at a budget price. So you can pick them up. I think they're on sale for about $129 right now. Regular MSRP, I think it's like $150. And it's a nice solid device. The MediaTek P22 Helio processor is no slouch. It'll get you through the day. It's powerful enough to do some gaming. It's got 3 gigabytes of RAM. And overall, it's just a solid little device. It's nice, it's neat. It's got everything all in this one package that you could possibly need, and it can all be yours if you're the lucky winner. So again, it's going to run until January the 18th, 10 o'clock at night Central Standard Time. Go get your entries. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section and I'll answer them. And I wish you all the best luck, a happy new year, and may the best person win.